guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here, then what's up? It is super late right now, so hence why I kind of sort of look a mess. It took me a long time to do my makeup, but like I was trying to be really fast because it's super late. It's like late o'clock. This is hopefully going to be a very quick video. It's super hot in my house for some odd reason. Do you like this background? Yes, no, maybe so. This is in my beauty room slash office closet. So this space is like still under construction and I'm still doing my declutters. I haven't done any collection videos just yet for my makeup, my beauty, whatever, skincare, all of that, but that is still in the works because I'm still decluttering. Let's get into this TJ Maxx and Marshalls haul in true Annar fashion. I'm going to start with non-makeup and beauty items first. I picked up something super boring. I got some of these ice trays. I don't know why it's taken me so long to get new like ice maker trays, ice trays. These have lids on them. I don't know, I like them better because in the freezer, I like that you can actually stack them on top of each other if they have a lid, and then I feel like it doesn't get dirty, even though I feel like freezers are pretty clean. I don't know, I'm weird. I just wanted a lid for my ice, so I finally picked some up. These were only $2.99, and I think I got these in Delaware actually, so there was no tax. I got regular cubed ice, and then I also got the ones that like fit in like water bottles or whatever, so I got 2 of these. I kind of want one more of each. O'Malley's back in here. No! O'Malley, out. She's gotta get out. Get out. Out. Out, please. Get out! Thanks. She knows that's like the only thing she understands is get out, because she hears it a lot. I picked up a handful of candles. It is from a brand that I actually love. It's one of my favorite brands of candles, especially to find at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I just haven't seen this brand in forever, and now that I'm starting to find it again, I'm literally trying to buy every single candle that I find by this brand because I love them so much. They like fill the room every day. Luxe brand. So this is this one right here. It's the Maui Blossoms, and I think all of them are soy blends, and I feel like soy candles just smell better. They fill the room more. I don't know, they just are better to me. This is what the lid looks like in case you like see the lid. There's a glare because of the lights because it's super late. Just the everyday Luxe. Sometimes you'll just see EL on the labels. These are only $7.99. Like I said, these fill your room actually with the scent. They smell so good. I found a few of a new brand that I actually like as well. I've already tested out, I think, have I tried one of these yet or no? I did burn one of these so far and it filled the room also, so it's so far going good. So this is by the brand Lab or L-A-B. The packaging of these is adorable. So it's the hue. I don't know if that's like the collection of these candles. I'm honestly not sure. Someone can let me know in the comments. Hand poured coconut wax blend. This is the lemonade and watermelon. It smells like Rita's water ice. Again, these are $7.99. These are only 2 wicks. This is the one that I burnt already just to test it out and see if they do fill the room really nicely. So again, here's the packaging for this one, the same brand, that Lab L-A-B brand. This one is in sea salt and summer rose. And this is another one of those that smells like Abercrombie & Fitch to me. It's not as Abercrombie & Fitchy. It's a little more rose, but it definitely smells like Abercrombie & Fitch. So I feel like if you don't like the way the store smells, you probably won't like this one, but you guys know. Or if you don't, now you do. I love the way the Abercrombie store smells, okay? Lastly, from this brand, again, this is the Lab brand. It's still hue. I don't know what that means, but again, packaging is on Pizzoins, and this one is the salted coconut and marine. Again, $7.99. So all of these were $7.99. This smells like a beach day. These have kind of been sitting along the side of my room for a while because all of this stuff I picked up like a good few weeks ago, just waiting for this haul. But this just smells like a beach day. You guys know what this means. More into like the beauty stuff, but I'm going to start with some more sunglasses. You guys know, if you are familiar with my channel and my videos, you guys know I'm still on the hunt, and I will be on the hunt until I get every style I can find of the Quay sunglasses. And I know some people say the brand differently, but I personally... O'Malley's bringing her toys in this room and then just laying down. Don't get up there. O'Malley, you're going to get out. Hey, can you get out? Oh, okay, fine. Sit down. I say Quay because I know Desi, who had done a collab with the brand, calls them Quay, right? She says Quay Australia. And then there's the high Quay because it's like Quay Sunglasses. So that's why I call it Quay Australia, okay? Alright. First ones I'll show is this one because I already showed these on my Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, which you guys should, because usually you guys see my finds way before I post them on this channel just because I get excited. These are just these super cool blue looking ones. I really don't want to mess with my makeup even though it's super late, but I'm gonna have to sit on camera, you know, but that's how these look. These were $14.99. I already took the price tag off of these because I think I wore them the other day. So these are the style Muse Fade, and it's in like this light blue color. And then some more Quay sunglasses, you know. So here's what these ones look like. You can see, I hope you're not seeing mess because just so you know, there's a mess behind. There's always a mess in my room. This is the style My Girl. Why do I feel like I already have one that's called My Girl? I'll have to double check. Through my little sunglasses. I don't think I have this one already though. But again, these were $14.99. They say compare at $25, which I think is the going price if you find the Quay sunglasses at Nordstrom Rack. I know especially online they have a huge selection of the Quay sunglasses, so if there's maybe a style you're looking for and you want to save some money. Sit down, please. Sit, sit, sit. O'Malley, sit. She said okay. Lastly, for the Quay sunglasses, I picked up these. But yeah, so there's what these ones look like. It's trying to focus on other things right now, but okay. These are in the style Private Eyes. These though have like a kind of purpley blue lens to them, if you can kind of tell the color of the lens. But again, these were $14.99 from the TJ Maxx. They say compare at $25. And with one of these, I think I only got a pouch with one of these. Not all the stores you'll be able to find the pouches, but I do suggest trying to find the pouches to go with them, or maybe ask if the store has the pouches. If you go to a store that has a jewelry section, usually they have them there if you care about the pouches at all. I have two other things before we get into like the makeup that I should have actually mentioned first. I just forgot that I got it. I just got one of these Selenite little towers. This one was only $7.99. It's by this brand that I don't even know what it is. AV or VA Home, I'm not sure. Just says this hand selected selenite is a high vibration crystal, delivers clarity of mind and cleanses negative energy. Selenite is a crystal that I want to have literally in every single room. I want to have so many different forms of it because they're self-cleansing, blah, blah, blah. I don't need to get into it right now. Someone can let me know in the comments your thoughts about buying like the crystals and stuff from TJ Maxx. I know a lot of people say that they're probably not the best quality if they're real at all from TJ Maxx since they're so inexpensive. I don't like to say cheap. It looks okay. It looks real, right? This was only $7.99. It says compare at $11, and I got this because it's gonna fit my bracelets on it perfectly. And if you have selenite, you don't have to like cleanse your bracelets yourself. You can just kind of sit them on here. I got them to sit my bracelets on so that they can like sit there and cleanse, you know, if you care about crystals at all. This guy that leaked, this is just MCT oil. It's by the brand RX Select Nutraceuticals, 100% potency MCT oil, medium chain triglycerides, supports weight loss, promotes hair and skin health, naturally energizing from coconut. Again, because I want to put this in my bulletproof coffee. I have not had bulletproof coffee in forever. I know I got the collagen a while ago to put it in there. It's just right now I'm actually doing the Teami cleanse, so I've been focusing on my tea instead of coffee, but I got this to mix in here. If you're familiar with bulletproof coffee at all, a lot of people put MCT oil. You can also just put regular coconut oil, which is what I had been doing because it's cheaper usually, but I wanted to try MCT oil for a while. I don't know anything about this brand. Again, if anyone is familiar with it, please let me know your thoughts about it in the comments. If you think it's a good idea, bad idea, whatever. I want to hear from you. You know I do. This was $12.99. It says compare at $19.99, and you get a lot in here. This is 16 fluid ounces. So more oil. I picked up two of these little body oil things. So, oh, why does it look so like frozen? There's like glitter shimmery in this oil. So this is the Bahia Skin Formula number 16. I got 16 and then I also got the 14. So this one is the rose gold. It's the shimmer. It's late, guys. I can't read right now. Shimmer Body Oil. Yeah, it just gives you like a rose goldy glow. And then this one is the Golden Jasmine. So Bahia Skin Formula number 14, Shimmer Body Oil. And again, this one's like, it's got all of, like, the glitter and stuff mixed in. But I really got these to try and see how it goes. I still haven't tried them yet. I love getting shimmery stuff, especially for my legs in the summer, because I just think it makes your legs look super lean, long, and gorgeous, especially when you have shorts or you're at the beach. Put some glitter on your legs. It will change your life. Ooh, there we go. So they mixed. I know these are like really on trend right now with like the Body Lava by Fenty and everything, but these were an amazing price for how much product you're getting if they turn out to be good. This is $6.99. It says compare at $9, and that was for each. So $6.99, $6.99. Not too bad if it turns out to be amazing. All I got is Lorac products. That's literally like it. First, I got this Lorac Take a Brow. This one is in the brunette. It's only $3.99 for this brow kit. $3.99, and I've been trying to stock up on some brow kits so that I can add them and use them in my TJ Maxx and Marshalls Get Ready With Me videos. So give this video a thumbs up if you're excited for that. I say that in every video, but they're coming. I promise. The only thing about this is I can't figure out how to open it. I'm scared I'm gonna like break it. Like, I can get this part. Oh. There's the brush.
Oh my gosh, if I break it. So confused. I can see it's at the hinge. I don't break it. I literally guys cannot open this.
Okay, I think I broke it, but in this little kit you get the wax, and then you get like a darker, and then you get a lighter shade of just like a powder, which I actually kind of like, because lately, especially now since it's the summer, my skin is already oily and it gets extra oily obviously in the summer when I'm out in the heat and everything. So I've been wanting a powder to like put on top of my brows because they look disgusting when they get oily. It's not even funny. I'm super excited to try these out. They do come with a little brush. It's really cute, travel friendly, as long as you can get it open in less than like an hour. And for $4, it's not too bad. I mean, I usually pay like $1 for what I actually use for my brows, but $4 I'm okay with. And I need powder. And then also from Lorac, because everything, the rest of what I have for this haul is Lorac. Okay, I got the Pro Powder Cheek Stain. This is in the color Coral Crush. I've shown one of these before, so now I'm just trying to like get all the colors. I need to take a picture of the colors that I have already so that I'm aware. This one's really pretty. It's kind of shimmery though for a blush. Usually I like matte blushes, but I've been really into the shimmery Wet n Wild blush, actually, not gonna lie. This one was only $3.99, which I think is a great price for Lorac. They usually price Lorac pretty well. It says compare at $7. Then I picked up some lip stuff from obviously Lorac. I got some more of the Alter Ego lipsticks. These are $3.99. They say compare at $7. The first one that I got is this really pretty, ooh, fuchsia pinky color. This is in the color Vixen. And these were not touched, you know, which is always a beautiful thing, guys. And then I got this really bright pink color. Super bright. I don't know if I can say this word and not get demonetized, which is sad, but it's in the color Kitten. So, oh, are these different products? This one though is different from the others. So this is the Lorac Lip Luxe 8-hour lip color. This one was $3.99 again. It says compare at $7. This one is in the color True Red. So this is one of their like long slim ones. I don't get really what the difference between them is. And then I got 2 lip glosses. You guys know lip glosses are hard for me to talk myself into buying, but these ones I thought were okay. Again, $3.99. They say compare at $7. So first I got this beautiful pink color, which kind of reminds me of one of the Anastasia Beverly Hills ones that I actually have like way up there on these shelves. This one is in the color Showgirl. And then these are just the Alter Ego lip glosses, if I didn't say that already. But then I got this really pretty, kind of like a pale pastel-y almost violet. Violet is what it is. This is in the color Free Spirit. And then I picked up one of the Lorac Pro Metal palettes. I was super excited to find this because when I did see it and when I first picked it up, I didn't even know it was out. So I was like, oh, you guys know I love Lorac palettes. This one I got for $14.99. It says compare at $20. And this one I think is super cute. It's all baby small. This one though, like the name says, they're all like shimmery. Not mad at it. There's a little Lorac screen thing. And then you get the mirror in here, which is cool. These flip all the way down to, I know that makes some people cringe, but. So that is everything from this TJ Maxx and Marshalls haul. Let me know in the comments your guys' thoughts about any of the products that I found, or let me know if there's anything that you guys are on the hunt for right now. Let me know your guys' thoughts on the background, if you like it in my bedroom better, or if you like this background. background better. I think I'm gonna film from here for a while. I don't know what I'm saying at this point, so yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. Alright, so that's it, honestly. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye guys!